In, out, relax. Slowly and gently you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं. And let's stand up. खड़े हो जाएं. If you want, you can take support with your hand and slowly start walking. Walk करना शुरू करिए. मुस्कान रखिए चेहरा पे. Keep a smile on your face. And slowly start shaking your hands. हाथ को अच्छा से हिलाइए. And gently start twisting your body. हल्का सा twist करना शुरू करिए. Remember, you can always follow Isha for a simple version. So today we'll be doing a lot of Surya Namaskars. We'll learn how to do Surya Namaskars correctly. आज सूर्य नमस्कार को हम सही तरीके से सीखेंगे. आप एक चेयर रख सकते हैं. You can keep a chair for the easy version. Keep twisting. And relax. And let's swing the hands left and right. हाथ को दाएं बाएं लेके जाएं. Now those of you can bend the knees, touch the floor and come up. घुटना मोड़ के हल्का सा जमीन को टच करके ऊपर आ जाएं. Now if you can lift the leg up, opposite leg up, विपरीत पैर को ऊपर उठाएं. Like dancing Shiva. And when you keep a smile, it looks even nicer. And slowly and gently come back to the center. Now, when we are talking about fat loss, we'll do a nice set of interesting dynamic warm-ups and then begin with the Surya Namaskars. अच्छा से warm-up करके Surya Namaskar शुरू करेंगे. All right. Now hold the hips. Let's do some joint movements. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. Swans अंदर ऊपर देखिए. Swans बाहर नीचे. ऊपर नीचे. Up, down. Up, down. Now look to the front. Look to your right and left. दाएं बाएं. सिर को मोड़िए. Right, left. Right, left. Right, left. Right and left. Relax. Now let's bring the ear to the shoulder. कान को कंधों के पास लेके आएंगे. Right ear to the right shoulder. Shoulders totally relaxed. Left ear to the left shoulder. Right and left. Right, left. Right, left. Right and left. Relax. Now put your fingers on the shoulders. उंगलियों को कंधों के ऊपर रखिए. Elbows to the front. कोहनी को आगे लेके आए. Now inhale. Take both your elbows up. Back. Open up your chest. Exhale. Bring your arms down. Swans अंदर. दोनों हाथ को ऊपर लेके जाएं. हाथ को पीछे की तरफ लेके जाएं और नीचे करिए. Continue. Feel the entire chest region, your shoulders, neck muscles nicely opening up. Reverse. Viparit disha. Now when we talk about fat loss metabolism, to have metabolism really good, it is very important to have an active lifestyle. अच्छा lifestyle रखने से अपना metabolism अच्छा रहेगा. You can relax your hands. That's why one is vyayam, exercise, yoga, meditation. Second is food habits. Then good sleep quality, drinking enough water, moving enough throughout the day. All these things are very important. अच्छा से चलना है दिन में, खाने के ऊपर ध्यान रखना, ये सब के ऊपर हमको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा अगर मेटाबॉलिज्म अच्छा चाहिए तो. Now interlock the fingers, put your hands behind the head and gently start twisting the body left and right. If you want, you can sit on a chair also. आप chair में भी बैठ के कर सकते हैं. For some of you, it might be a little difficult to stand for long. Nice twist for your spine. You will hear some tuck tuck sound from your spine. That's totally normal. कड़क कड़क आवाज आएगा अपना रीढ़ की हड्डी से. And come back to the center and relax your hands. Now bend to the left and right. दाएं बाएं झुकिए. And stretch your hand over the head. हाथ को भी लंबा दूर खींचिए. Keep bending and stretch your arm. If you keep your elbows straight, then you won't get deep stretch. कोहनी को लंबा सीधा करिए. Very nice. Surya Namaskar is one of the best full body routine we can do. All right. Now hold the hips. Now push your hips to the left and right. कमर को दाएं बाएं push करिए. Now remember, you follow your own pace. That is very important. अपना शरीर के हिसाब से जितना हो सकता है उतना करिए. If you're not able to match up to our speed, it's absolutely fine. If you're doing 10 counts, you can do even 5 counts. That is also okay. Now make big circles. बड़ा गोल गोल circle घुमाए. So after Surya Namaskars, what we will do, we will work on tummy fat. हम पेट की फैट के ऊपर थोड़ा हम काम करेंगे. I know many of you want to work on your tummy fat, so today we will do that. And relax. Now you can hold a chair and we'll swing the leg. पैर को आगे पीछे swing करेंगे. You can stretch your hands to the sides and gently swing your right leg first. दाएं पैर को आगे पीछे घुमाएं. And relax. Now the left leg. बाएं पैर. याद है ना आपके पास दो पैर हैं, right? You have 2 legs. So don't forget to swing the other leg also. And let go. Now lift your right knee up and kick forward. दाएं घुटनों को ऊपर उठा के और आगे से किक करिए. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Now the left leg. Left knee up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax, let go. Now foot movements. Rotate your right foot. Now as you're rotating the right foot, notice where the impact is. It will be in your calf muscles, right? Reverse the direction, Viparit Disha. Now calf muscles are called as the second heart of the body. Do you know that? So when you do nice foot movements, your circulation improves. And let go. Improving your circulation is very important for fat loss. And left leg to the front and slowly start rotating your left foot. Now some of you might be thinking, okay, you're talking about fat loss, you're talking about weight loss, what is the difference? What about weight gain? There could be some of you want to gain weight. Reverse the direction. So for weight gain, the funda is very simple. Exercises are similar, but you need to create a calorie surplus. Means what? You need to eat more calories than what you spend. Are you understanding? जो हम एक्सरसाइज करके व्यायाम करके जितना कैलोरी स्पेंड करते हैं उससे भी ज़्यादा खाना हमको खाना पड़ेगा, कैलोरीज क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा for weight gain. All right. Now put your hands behind the head. Now we will do the opposite knee and elbow touch. You can sit on the chair and do this. विपरीत कोहनी और घुटनों को टच करेंगे. First let's begin with the right knee. श्वास छोड़िए और ऊपर लेके आए. Now left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax, let go. Now you may stand up once again. We will do the engine Daud. This is a very interesting yogic cardio. Alright. Now how to do this? Keep your hands next to the body. Now with our hands we will punch. हाथ को शरीर के पास रखिए और आगे पंच करेंगे. पंच करते करते श्वास को तेजी से बाहर करना है. You exhale forcefully as you punch. You bring the hand back to the body. Now as you are doing this, opposite hand and the opposite leg. The opposite leg kicks the buttock. Clear? समझ आ गया? शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin. Now let's begin with the normal speed, and those of you can later catch up with me as I'm going to be jogging with this. अपना शरीर की कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से ये कर सकते हैं. Let's begin. Now remember, left hand, right leg. Then change. And slowly start increasing the speed. And relax. Come back to the center and gently close your eyes for a moment and observe your heartbeat. एक क्षण के लिए आंख बंद करके अपना हृदय की आवाज को सुनिए. And you may open your eyes and move the legs wider. We'll do the Sarvang Pushti. अभी हम सर्वांग पुष्टि करते हैं. पैर को थोड़ा दूर दूर रखिए. Cross your hands over the head, make a fist. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, turn your body to the right side. Exhale, go down. श्वास छोड़ते छोड़ते दाहिने तरफ नीचे झुकिए. You can follow Isha for the simple version, bend from the hips. Inhale, come up. Exhale to the left side. श्वास छोड़िए, बाएं और झुकिए. In, up, right, up, left, right, left, right, left. One last time. Right, left, and slowly and gently bring the hands up. Exhale, bring your hands down and legs closer. Now let's get ready for the सूर्य नमस्कार. अभी सूर्य नमस्कार करेंगे. Bring a chair. चेयर के ऊपर आराम से बैठ जाएं. Now सूर्य नमस्कार has 12 poses. 12 poses हैं. एक specific लय में करना है. So I'll guide you through the 12 poses. You just follow. Alright. Now first round we will learn every posture correctly. Then second, third, fourth round then we do normally. पहला राउंड अच्छे से सीखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद नॉर्मली दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा राउंड करेंगे. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Now, 2 cautions. Those of you who have high BP, heart issues, when you're bending down, do not take your body below the hip level. This is the first caution. जिनको ये high BP, heart issues हैं, कमर से नीचे नहीं झुकना है खड़े होके. Right? Second, those of you who have knee issue, so there are certain asanas like Ashwa Sanchalanasana where we'll go down. So you do gently, or you can follow Isha, do with the chair. So don't put too much pressure on the knees. घुटनों में इश्यू है, आप ज़्यादा मत झुकिए. ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Come to the front of the mat, toes facing to the front. Right? Now breathe in, bring both your hands up, palms together in Namaste, and breathe out, palms in front of your chest. Alright, so this is Namaskar Asana, first pose. Your forearms should be parallel to the floor. Alright, so before we go into the posture 2, so tonight we'll be having a bonus session for all of you. आप सबके लिए आज रात एक bonus session है. दिनचर्या, according to Ayurveda, how to plan your day for a healthy living. आयुर्वेदा के हिसाब से दिन को कैसे हमको प्लान करना है उसके बारे में है आज रात 8:30 बजे 8:30 PM. So don't miss that. Bring your friends and family along with it. All right. And tomorrow we'll be working on posture correction. कल हम अपना posture को ठीक करेंगे. Posture ठीक करने से अपना height भी बड़ा दिखेगा. Right. So posture correction has so many benefits. So don't miss tomorrow's session. We'll be working on fixing our posture. Now 2. Stretch your hands to the front. Hands go up and bend to the back. पीछे मोड़िए. पहले क्या करना है? First you bend from the shoulders. Don't push your hips. कमर को आगे push मत करिए. Bend from the shoulders and chest and look up. Stay here. Keep breathing. श्वास को अंदर बाहर करते रहिए. Now gently push your hips forward. हस्त उत्तानासन. Your hands are pulling up. हाथ को ऊपर खींचते रहिए. Now if you find this difficult, you can simply hold your hips. अगर हाथ ऊपर खींचना मुश्किल है, आप कमर को पकड़िए. Now inhale, straighten yourself up. Exhale, bend forward from your hips. कमर से आगे झुकिए. You can bend the knees a little bit. हल्का सा घुटनों को मोड़ सकते हैं. और आगे 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 जाएं और नीचे आ जाएं. And gently come down. Place your palms next to your feet. Now very important here, be soft on the knees. Many times we tend to push the knees backward and push the hips back. Right? This puts unnecessary pressure on the knees. घुटनों को बहुत सीधा रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. हल्का सा मोड़िए, बहुत भी मोड़िए मत. And palms down. Now if you're not able to reach down, it's okay. You can hold near the ankle or below the knees. पैर को भी पकड़ सकते हैं. Drop your head down. सिर को नीचे छोड़िए. Now breathe in. Take your right leg to the back. दाएं घुटनों को पीछे लेके जाएं, पैर को. Now once you place your palms here, we do not change the palm position. जब ऐसा हमने हाथ को जमीन पे रख दिया, यहाँ से हाथ पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं करना चाहिए. Right? Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Ashwa means horse. It's just like the horse about to move. Now push your hips forward. You can come on the fingers, look up. ऊपर देखिए. Keep breathing. Feel a nice deep stretch in the hip region. Smile on your face. Look up, 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 up. Now palms down. Tuck your right toe in and stretch your left leg to the back. बाएं पैर को पीछे लेके जाएं. शरीर को एक लाइन पे रखिए. Keep the body in one straight line. Chaturanga Dandasana. Now if you see here, the common mistake that we do is we either drop the hips down or keep holding the hips up. Both are not correct. So keep your body parallel to the floor. From your shoulder, from your hips, from your heel. Tummy is pulled in. नाभि को अंदर खींचिए. Very good. This posture makes your body, your arms, everything strong. Now knees down, घुटनों को नीचे रखिए. Slide back and slide forward, placing your chest in between your palms. छाती को दोनों हथेली के बीच में रखिए. कमर को ऊपर रखिए. Keep your hips up. Ashtanga Namaskar. 8 parts of the body are on the floor. Both the palms, chin, chest, knees and toes. Bhujangasana. Bring your hips down. Stretch your toes to the back. Inhale. Slowly lift up. Cobra pose. Exhale. Stay here. How much you come up? Navel should be 1 inch off the mat. Shoulders roll to the back and down. Elbows close to the body. कोहनी को शरीर के पास रखिए और ऊपर देखिए. Look up. Now how do you know if you are doing the Bhujangasana correctly? Now if you take the hands from here, you should not fall down. अगर आपने नीचे गिर गया मतलब पूरा वजन आपने हाथ में डाल दिया. If you're falling down, you put the entire weight on the palms. You have to hold the pose from your back. Now breathe in. Come on the knees. Keep your palms fixed. Tuck your toes in. पाँव को अंदर, पाँव को उंगलियों को अंदर लेके आए. घुटनों के ऊपर आ जाएं. Knees up. Now walk your foot a little bit forward. पैर को थोड़ा आगे लेके आए. Now press your chest to the thighs. छाती को जंघा की तरफ लेके जाएं. Make your back straight and push your heels down. एड़ी को नीचे दबाएं. अश्व संचालनासन, अधोमुख श्वानासन. The downward facing dog. Head in between the hands, back straight, knees can be bent, it's okay. Inhale, bring your right leg forward. श्वास लेते लेते दाएं पैर को आगे लेके आए, दोनों हथेली के बीच में. Now the challenge is, for many of you, your leg might come only halfway. So how to bring the foot forward? पैर को कैसे आगे लेके आए? हाथ को पीछे नहीं करना है, हाथ को वहीं रखिए. Keep your hands where it is. Now gently crawl your foot. Crawl, 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 crawl. एक एक स्टेप आगे लेके आए. Time. We are here. Stay here. Once again, you can go on the fingers, push the hips forward, look up. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. ऊपर देखिए. Feel the posture. The more you relax in the posture, the body adapts to it. Now, bring your left leg forward. बाएं पैर को आगे लेके आए हस्तपादासन में. We are coming back to the same poses. And head down. See, the weight should be balanced between the heel and the toes. पाँव को उंगली और एड़ी के बीच में वेट बैलेंस होना चाहिए. And stretch your hands forward. First, bring it close to the head. And inhale. Slowly come up, 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 up. Pull up, ऊपर खींचिए. And bend to the back. पीछे मोड़िए. Exhale, stay here. श्वास छोड़िए, यहाँ रुकिए. हस्त उत्तानासन. And straighten yourself up. Exhale, namaste. Posture 12. Is it clear? Yes? So shall we do 3 more rounds? 3 और rounds करेंगे. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Namaste. Smile on your face. 2. Stretch up and bend back. ऊपर और पीछे मुड़िए. 3. Breathe out. Bend forward and down. श्वास छोड़ते छोड़ते आगे और नीचे झुकिए. हस्त पादासन. 4. Now take your left leg back. बाएं पैर को पीछे करिए. अश्व संचालनासन. Stretch your left foot to the back. Now 5. Right leg back. Chaturanga Dandasan. शरीर को एक लाइन पे एक स्तंभ जैसा पकड़ के रखिए. Like a pole. You're holding the body straight. Now we tend to push the hips to the back. Now pull the navel in. So body will become straight. जब नाभि को अंदर खींचते हैं शरीर सीधा हो जाते हैं. I know this pose is difficult. Hold it a little longer. And knees down, slide back, slide forward. 6. Ashtanga Namaskar. 7. Bhujangasana. Keep breathing. Shoulders down, elbows close to the body. Adho Mukshwanasana, downward facing dog. Walk your feet a little bit forward, push your chest towards your thighs, heels down. छाती को जंगा की तरफ लेके जाएं, एड़ी को नीचे दबाएं. Breathe in. Take your left leg forward. Breathe out, stay here. बाएं पैर को आगे करिए, दोनों हथेली के बीच में. अश्व संचालनासन. Now, exhale, right leg forward. श्वास छोड़िए, दाएं पैर को आगे करिए और सिर को नीचे करिए. नीचे झुकिए, bend down, हस्तपादासन. And stretch forward, come up and bend back. हस्त उत्तानासन. हाथ को ऊपर खींचिए और पीछे झुकिए. And Namaste. Namaskarasan. How are you all doing? Is it good? Yes? You're able to follow? Yes? Now we'll do 2 rounds. Not much instruction. I'll just say 1, 2, 3. You just follow me and we'll do 2 more rounds. 2 round करेंगे. Now, you can keep your navel slightly pulled in. नाभि को हल्का सा अंदर खींच के रख सकते हैं. So this helps to burn more fat, tummy fat. Namaste. 1, 2. Breathe in, stretch back. Breathe out. 3. आगे और नीचे झुकिए. हस्तपादास. 4. Right leg back. दाएं पैर को पीछे करिए. 5. Left leg back. 6. Slide back and forward, chest in between the palms. 7. Bhujangasana. 8. Downward dog, Adho Mukshwanasana. 9. right leg forward, in between the palms. 10, left leg forward, Hasta Padasana. 11, stretch forward, come up, 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 and bend back. And 12, Namaste. One last round, Namaste. 2, 3, bend down. 4, left leg back, Ashvasanchalanasana. 5, Chaturanga Dandasana. Now let me tell you a story. आपके लिए एक कहानी बताता हूँ. No. 6, slide back and forward, chest in between the palms. छाती को दोनों हथेली के बीच में रखिए, hips up in the air. 7, Bhujangasana, cobra pose. 8, downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 9, left leg forward, बाएं पैर को आगे करिए. 10, right leg forward. 11, stretch forward, come up and bend back. Hasta Uttanasana. And 12, Namaste. And for a moment, you can close your eyes and just observe your breath. And slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. Now you may sit down, आराम से नीचे बैठ जाएं. Now we will do something for our tummy. पेट के लिए कुछ करते हैं. And lie down on your back. Now bend your knees, lift your legs up. घुटनों को मोड़िए, पैर को ऊपर उठाएं. Now let's slowly start making circles. Cycling करते हैं. Small circles. Not big circles, small, really small. And medium circles. Now notice that your tummy is holding this pose. पेट से ही हम ये सब कर रहे हैं. Little bigger circle. थोड़ा बड़ा करिए. और बड़ा circle. Big circle. Now imagine it's the world's biggest cycle. Now you can bring the leg close to the floor. करते रहिए. And reverse. The cycle has got a reverse gear. Big circle. Medium circle. And small circle. Chota circle. And relax. Let go. Straighten the leg. Now you may gently roll over to the right side and come up on the elbows. दाहिने ओर मोड़ के आप अपना कोहनी को जमीन पे रखिए. Forearms down. Now the easy version is where you lift the legs up. We'll do the Naukasana, the boat pose. This is the easy version, right? Now if you want, you can also come on your palms. Alright, so now let's do the proper boat pose. You can follow Isha for the simple version. Take both your hands up. दोनों हाथ को ऊपर लेके जाएं. Swans अंदर. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your hands to the front and lift the whole body up. सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते हाथ को आगे करिए और पूरा शरीर को ऊपर उठाएं. You're resting only on the hips. Back straight. Hold, hold, hold. Now let's hold here for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8. Back को सीधा करिए. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Vishram. Aha. Stomach has nicely worked out today. One more round. एक और round करेंगे. Hands go over the head. हाथ को सिर से ऊपर लेके जाएं. Inhale, श्वास अंदर. And as you exhale, lift your whole body up. Bring the hands to the front. शरीर को ऊपर उठाएं. हाथ को आगे लेके आएं. Hold this pose. Again, 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, and relax. Vishram. Now bend both your knees. Just one balancing, relaxing pose. Wrap your arms around your legs. घुटनों को मोड़िए. हाथ से पैर को पकड़िए. Gently pull your thighs into your tummy. Those of you who have issues with the knees, hold from behind the thighs. Pull in, and gently rock your body left and right. And slowly and gently stretch your legs out. I will teach you a new cooling pranayama towards the end, so stay till the end. आपके लिए एक नया प्राणायाम सिखाऊंगा. लास्ट तक रुकिए. Relax your whole body. पूरा शरीर को ढीला छोड़िए. Now take your attention to your right foot. दाएं पांव पर ध्यान रखिए. Right knee, दाएं घुटना. Thighs and hip, दाएं जंघा और कमर. Left foot, बाएं पाँव, left knee, left thigh and hip, बाएं जंघा और कमर. Genitals, जननेंद्रिय. Stomach, पेट. Both the hands, chest, छाती, both the arms and shoulders, दोनों हाथ, भुजा और कंधों, shoulders, throat and neck, गर्दन और गला, face, head, सिर, the whole body, पूरा शरीर, relax your whole body, पूरा शरीर को ढीला छोड़िए. मन शरीर दोनों विश्राम कर रहे हैं. Your body and mind both are relaxing. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly and gently bring gentle movements in the body. हल्का सा शरीर में movements लेके आए, शरीर को हिलाएं और दाहिने और करवट लीजिए. Roll over to your right side. And slowly and gently, with the support of your hands, you may sit up. धीरे धीरे उठकर बैठ जाएं. And you may open your eyes. आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Now we will learn the शीतली प्राणायाम. Now शीतली प्राणायाम is very cooling for the body. शरीर के लिए बहुत ठंडाई लेके आते हैं शीतली प्राणायाम. Now how to do that? You roll the tongue out like a tube. जीभ को बाहर करिए एक ट्यूब जैसा. Now if you are not able to make the tube, it's okay. Just pull the tongue out. And you inhale through the mouth using the whole body. Close your mouth. Exhale through the nose. मुंह से श्वास लेना है इस ट्यूब से और मुंह बंद करके नाक से श्वास छोड़ना. बस इतनी है. We'll do this 3 rounds. Now if any of you have cough or throat issue, then you may avoid this. Alright, let's begin. Palms on your knees, eyes closed. Smile on your face. आंख बंद कर लेते हैं. जीभ को बाहर करिए, ट्यूब बनाइए. Make a tube out of your tongue. Now inhale through the mouth. मुंह से श्वास अंदर. Close your mouth. Exhale through the nose. मुंह बंद करके नाक से श्वास छोड़िए. Second round, tongue out. दूसरा राउंड अपने आप करिए. And continue on your own. लास्ट राउंड अपने आप, ऑन योर ओन. And relax. विश्राम. Keep your eyes closed. आंखें बंद ही रखते हैं. And feel a sense of lightness in the body and the mind. शरीर और मन में हल्कापन को महसूस करिए. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Slowly and gently, with a big smile, you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे बड़ा सा मुस्कान के साथ आंखें खोल सकते. How are you feeling? कैसे लग रहा है? You all learned the सूर्य नमस्कार correctly. You worked on the tummy. Yes. अच्छा लग रहा है ना पेट में और शरीर में. Now put in the comment section. Let us know how today's practice was and send some hearts. Let us know how you enjoyed. Hearts भेजिए comment section में. And don't forget about tonight's bonus session on दिनचर्या. आज रात का सेशन को मिस मत करिए. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा. नया चीज़ सीखने के लिए मिलेगा आपको. You will learn lot of new things. Alright, this will help you to plan your day properly. आपका दिन को आप ठीक से प्लान कर पाएंगे इसके बाद आयुर्वेदा के हिसाब से. एंड टुमारो सेशन विल बी वर्किंग ऑन पॉस्चर करेक्शन. कल हम पॉस्चर करेक्शन के ऊपर काम करेंगे, उसको भी मिस मत करिए. हम पॉस्चर से बहुत सारी चीज़ अपना शरीर में, जोड़ों के ऊपर प्रेशर और अपना ब्रीदिंग, अपना हाइट, सब ठीक हो सकते हैं और दर्द शरीर से सब निकल सकते हैं. योर बॉडी पेन विल गो ऑफ. You'll be able to breathe better. So many benefits when you have the correct posture. All right, and continue this challenge and make sure we make practicing yoga everyday habit, everyday discipline. रोज योग करने का एक आदत बनाइए और एक अनुशासन बनाइए, जिससे ही अपना शरीर का स्वस्थ और मन का स्वस्थ अच्छा रहेगा. The health of the body and mind will be optimum when you practice yoga every day. So meet you in the next session.